Namaste to all students. Myself JV'n Dr. Khushbu Verma from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about drought resistance and drought reason or drought stress conditions where water supply is very less, and it is a period or conduction of unusually dry weather with a geographic area where there is a lack of precipitation. Drought stress accounts account for more production for more production losses than all other factors combined. Fraction of worldwide arable land subject to drought area or drought stress is 26%. Drought is basically is created by various factors. The most prominent are extreme of temperature, photon irradiance, and paucity of water. The characteristic feature of drought stress is low water potential due to high solute concentration. Low water supply causes soil mineral toxicities and can make a plant more susceptible to damage from high irradiance. Major reasons of drought: atmospheric factors, high temperature, high wind and air pollution; soil factors, low temperature, excessive soil salinity, and receding water content. Different types of drought. So, meteorological drought due to prolonged period with less than average precipitation. Agriculture drought, which affect crop production or ecology of range. Hydrological drought, when the water reservoir available in the source, such as lake reservoirs, fall below statistical average. Effect of drought stress on plants. So, effect of basically on growth. It reduces the target pressure due to cell size will be smaller, and effect of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis decreases due to the disruption of photosynthesis system sacking and stomatal closure and decrease in the electron transport chain, decrease in nucleic acid and protein. Protease activity, RNA's activity, RNA hydrolysis and DNA content falls down. Effect of nitrogen metabolism and nitrate reductase activity insensitive, and effect on carbohydrate metabolism. So loss of starch and carbohydrate translocation decreases. Mechanism of the drought tolerance. So first is drought escape. It is defined as the ability of a plant to complete its life cycle before supply of water in the soil is depleted, and these plants known as drought escapers. Next one is the drought avoidance. It is ability of the plant to maintain relatively water balance despite a shortage of soil moisture. Next one is the drought tolerance. It is ability of plant to withstand water defect with low tissue water potential. Now come to the mechanism of resistance to drought. So there are morphological response to drought means increase in water absorption and transportation, declination in transpiration process, developed root system and high ratio of the root to shoot, thick leaf, small leaf area, thick cuticle, developed veins and bundle, and smaller and more stomata. Physiological and biological basis of drought stress tolerance in the plant. So increasing the capacity of resistance to dehydration of cytoplasm, rapid accumulation of proline, glycine, betaine and iron, etc. Synthesis of specific proteins like LEA, reduced ROS accumulation, increase in antioxidative enzyme, decreased efficiency of rubisco. Photohormone, phytohormone play a vital role in drought tolerance in plant. Under drought condition, endogenous content of auxin, gibberellins, cytokine usually decrease while those of acetic acid and ethylene increase. There are many signals that induce stomatal closure. Among these, the best known signals is AVA. Summary. In the days of global warming, the effect of drought stress on crop productivity is expected to increase. The crop plant have involved certain resistance mechanisms against drought stress. We should identify these mechanisms and we introgress these into susceptible genotype. Only conventional breeding is not sufficient in the development of drought tolerant varieties. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by Digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.